Imagine you have $100. You travel to Europe and you need euros. So you exchange your dollars for euros. But what if you could trade currencies like you trade stocks? That is basically where Forex begins. Forex stands for foreign exchange. In simple words, Forex is the global market where one currency is exchanged for another. You actually use Forex in everyday life without realizing it. If you travel from the United States to Europe, you exchange US dollars for euros. If a company in Japan buys products from an American company, currencies have to be exchanged. Every time one currency is exchanged for another, there is a foreign exchange transaction. But forex traders are usually not traveling around exchanging physical cash. Instead, they are trying to profit from exchanges in currency prices. And here is something very important. In forex, currencies are traded in pairs. For example, EUR USD. EUR is the euro. USD is the US dollar. Let's say Euro USD is 1.10. That means 1 euro is worth 1.10 US dollars. So, forex prices are basically telling us the value of one currency compared with another. Now imagine you believe the euro will become stronger against the dollar. You could buy euro USD. If the price goes up after you buy, your trade can make a profit. But what if you think the euro will become weaker? You can potentially profit from a falling market by selling euro USD. Let's make this extremely simple. Imagine euro USD is at 1.10. You believe it will rise, so you buy. Later, the price moved to 1.105. The market moved in your direction. If your position size is appropriate, that movement could create a profit. But remember, the opposite can happen too. If you buy and the market falls instead, you lose money. So, why do currency prices move? Because currencies are affected by many things: interest rates, inflation, economic data, central bank decisions, political events, and even global market sentiment. For example, imagine a country's central bank raises interest rates. Investors may become more interested in that country's currency. More demand can influence the currency's value. This is one reason forex traders pay close attention to economic news. And forex is not a tiny market. It is a massive global financial market involving banks, companies, governments, investment firms, and individual traders. Now, before you get excited, there is something you absolutely need to understand. Forex is not a money making machine. You can make money and you can also lose money. Sometimes you can lose money very quickly. One reason Forex can be dangerous is something called leverage. Leverage allows traders to control a large position with a small amount of their own money. That can increase potential profit, but it can also increase potential losses. So, if you are completely new to Forex, don't start by asking, how can I make money tomorrow? Ask, how can I understand the market first? And that's exactly what we are going to do here at Scorpion FX. We are going to start from the absolutely basic and build your Forex knowledge step by step. In the next videos, we will break down things like currency pairs, pips, lots, spreads, leverage, charts, support and resistance, and eventually how a complete Forex trade actually works. So, if you never trade Forex before, you are in the right place. Subscribe to Scorpion FX and let's learn Forex from zero, one step at a time.